Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a firework. So what you're going to want to do is get a paper towel. It doesn't matter how big it is, just get a paper towel and take these little caps. Whatever your fuel, it doesn't matter what fuel, but take the little caps. I use these little caps because they're cheap and easy to find. Get all of them. Put them all in the center. And then this is my paper tip that helps flame. They're very flammable. So today, right now, what we're going to do is we're going to roll it up. I'm messed up. Okay. So, you're going to roll it up in a ball, like this. So then you're going to get it like this. So you're going to get it like that. With this little ball thingy right here. And then you're going to take some tape. And then so take a piece of tape and then start taping. Just do one piece of tape all the way around. Okay, so then you have like a little bomb like this. And now what you're going to do is you see this is like, you're going to take. Yes, I do. It goes in coma to make a Roy Rogers. Won't have it in my house. That is the one. Not the herb, the Mexican singer. It's going to be huge and I want nothing to do with it. That's not fair. I'm dying. No warning. Okay, so then you're going to cut a piece that goes all the way around right here on the top right here. There.
Christen it with my fire hose. Principal Lewis! Are you excited or terrified? I have to decide whether I'm joking. What's this hydrant doing here? It was pushed through when you're chairman of the Homeowners Association. Roy Rogers McFreely.
And you're going to piece of tape like that. And then put another piece of tape right here. But don't put too much tape, because if you put too much tape, it's not going to work, and it won't let off.
Maybe you're in charge there, where they don't serve grenadine, but out here, I'm the law. You're in McFreely town. Royville. Rogersburg. Excuse me. Anyway, this is my town. Charles, we're moving out. I apologize for the lack of drama in this exit.
Okay. So now your thing's going to look kind of like this. Yeah, like this. So now you're going to tape the bottom right here so it doesn't fall out, but only like a little. Just cut a piece like this small, like not even that big, and then just put it wherever it seems like the paper's loose on the bottom. Then you're gonna take that up, because there should be at least like one. There might be a couple, but at least one there will be. So your thing should be like this. Remember this little piece that we cut? Remember this little piece that we cut? Well, if it's too small, you could do it again, but it needs to be. It needs to be about like this long. Then we're gonna have it like that, twist it up. Okay, this is too small.
The
Okay, so you're gonna roll it up like that, so it makes like a little fuse. Then what you're gonna do now is place a piece of tape on top.
You woke me up in the middle of a dream. I was in the Sledgehammer video and I was made a play and I was so flipped.
Oh, also, you're gonna put a piece of tape right here to where it's loose.
Association ordered earlier trash pickup at this house only.
7 days a week. Roger? No! I can hear you, Roger. Let's go.
And then now you're gonna take the
I
little
can see you. I can see your whole upper body.
tiny piece like this, and then you're gonna tape the fuse to it.
What's the matter, Dad? Man got his boot up your ass?
Don't worry, I'm
Piece of
fine.
paper.
The system's gonna pull that boot right out of my ass and sew my anus up nice and tight. Might even get it bleached. Birthday's coming up. Ha! Ha! Gotta think. Clear my head. Ha!
I told you.
So this is how you, let's look at the bomb now. The firework. And this is what you created. Light that fuse off. All the paper inside is going to heat up and it's going to make like a machine gun and blow up like a bomb sound. And it's going to be a pretty cool firework for 4th of July. Thanks for watching.